Hey everyone, let's build a cool bullet point slide with animation. First, we need some text or points. Next, insert round rectangle. You can color, resize or reshape as you like. Now move this shape outside slide and send it to the back, so it glides smoothly but behind text. Now let's add animations. First, applying line animation. Do you see the red dot? It indicates ending point of the animation. Place it at the center of point 1. Now add fill color animation to select the color change. Applying line animation. Place the green dot on bullet point 1 as we want second animation or sliding to start here, and red dot on point 2 for ending. Set animation with previous so that shape moves with color change. And to turn previous point white, apply font color in white color. Remember to set this with previous as well. Let's take a quick peek how it looks. We will repeat all these steps for points 3 and 4. By default, color change will happen on the mouse click, then rest will follow. And there you go. Final step, turn background black. Your animated bullets are ready. Thanks for watching.